showing activity has been up this past week as new contracts outpaced last year 33.3%. It's Friday, November 22nd, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty. This is the weekly Maryland Eastern Shore report. Active inventory for sale is at 1,815, while coming soon dropped to 96. New contracts fell to 136 going under contract in 30 days. 161 homes settled at 96.3% list to sold ratio with days on the market of 28. Lease inventory fell to 21 for lease at $2,400 median dollars per month. And that's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore report for Friday, November 22nd, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.